Hi, this is Cassius Rayner, iPhone cinematographer. Recently, I just managed to get my hands on a Moondog anamorphic lens, and it's beautiful. The glass is lovely on it. I was never sure about anamorphic lenses when they first started coming out on the market, but I did start exploring. There are some good ones out there, and there's some pretty awful ones, but this is one of the top ones that I would actually recommend. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not sponsored by Moondog at all, but I do like their lenses, and I have shot a fair amount using their lenses. The plus sign with this new Moondog anamorphic lens is the bayonet connection. Why? Because I need things simplified. So I can basically put this onto a moment case and just connect it in. There we go. Now, why do I want that? I want that because I want as little weight as possible on my gimbal, and I want it to be able to shoot quick and fast when I'm out on the streets, or if I'm shooting a documentary. I want to be able to do it quickly. So this is a fantastic setup. Just the very thin plastic case for the phone. Straight away, my anamorphic lens is just connected through the bayonet connection, and I'm ready to film, whether it's attached to a gimbal or whether I'm using a tripod or handheld rig. So in that sense, this is an absolute winner for me. Love it. So here's a video that I shot recently using this exact anamorphic lens here, which I shot around London. Check it out. And if you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, I know you probably hear it all the time, but if you could, it would be awesome. Thank you so much for watching. Cheers.